This is Hrishikesh Sapre.
Right.
First of all, I thank you for this session. I got to know about this session from my friend who attended this Kiran Jadhav Associate session in 2015.
Oh,
Who is investing since long and is very disciplined. I think he has got a lot of learning from this session. So
hmm,
I just thought to participate and attend this session.
right.
So I was mentally preparing myself that 2 days, like
Hmm,
it will be very difficult to attend this
hmm,
long session after the college hours.
hmm, hmm.
But fortunately, it was very informative and interactive session,
True.
and got to learn a lot of things.
Right.
One more thing I would like to mention specifically is everyone wants to earn money out of stock market,
Hmm.
but very few are there who can actually earn money out of it.
Correct.
And, today or yesterday, we got to learn so many things
Hmm.
and specific
आवाज का तो
rules
है
we
सुनाई
can
दे
follow and be succeeded in this stock market.
Hmm.
So this is my first session which I have attended, and many colleagues have attended other sessions as well, who
Okay.
are not very fond of trainings now.
Hmm.
But I would say this is very great initiative from you and Kiran Jadhav sir,
Hmm.
that you have already learned, spent a lot of time in market, and you are sharing all these experiences with us.
Yes.
So we are also getting all these things to learn, because in social media there are a lot of false information available, and people get manipulated with that information.
True.
This is a
So,
very great initiative, and I really thank for all this information that you have shared today.